A wildfire emergency continues in Southern California with millions on alert as powerful winds return. Thousands of firefighters are in position throughout Los Angeles County, bracing for another round of wildfires. Officials fear the powerful Santa Ana gusts could slow progress in containing the Palisades and Eaton fires that have scorched tens of thousands of acres over the last few days. Overnight, people just north of LA had to evacuate as a new fire broke out. Crews managed to stop its growth for now.
I think that people understand that these fires were historic, that the conditions were historic, but many people that we're talking with, Mayor, they still have questions about the city's response. It's been a week. Looking back now, what would you have done differently?
Well, let me just say that while I'm in the midst of it, I'm not looking back. However, and I have said this on a daily basis, when we are past this, we're going to do a deep dive and evaluate everything.
But right now, there's not one thing you think you could have done differently.
I do not think that now is the time to do this.